Ano, makita mo lang tumaas na yung subscriber mo, views mo. Yes, I'm on. Thank you, Sister Lida. Lida Rice, Roshan, ma'am. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Pintuhan lang. Kwentuhan, walang putukan, walang ayudahan, walang tamsakan. Puro kwento lang, walang winta. Love, love, love. Thank you so much, Leda Rai, sister. Lida, are you from Nepal? From Kathmandu? Wow. Oo nga po, Lods. Yes, Lods, thank you. Okay lang yan. Kanta-kanta, video-video ka dyan sa dagat o bukid-bukid. Oh no, brother, I am from India. I am from India. Sorry. I thought you are from Nepal. India. Where in India? In New Delhi? In Mumbai? Kung ako'y mag-asawa, time check now in the Philippines is 6:14 in the afternoon. Maybe in India is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Love me, Carmelita. Na. Whoa. Most of friends I connected from Nepal, bro. I'm speaking Nepali, but India. 3:44 p.m. Yes. Most of friends I connected from Nepal. Bro, I'm speaking Nepali, but in India. Nepalese language and Indian language is not the same, sister. What is Ram? My state Sikkim. Sikkim. Ram. You know that Ram? Har. You know that different language, Indian and Nepal. Okay. Puspa Teresa Kisko. Hili, how are you, sir? I'm good. Tispa Kisko, I'm good. Brother, namaste, Mamina Rai, sister, namaste. Ayun, si Ma'am Mina is from Nepal, maybe. How are you, brother? I'm good. And still kicking. How are you, ma'am? Sister Mina Rai, how are you? Ma'am Mina, Sister Mina is from Kathmandu. Puspa Teresa Kisko, please like my new video. Yeah. I will write your name here because it's so hard to memorize your name. Puspa Teresa Kisko. Namaste. I am pretty good, brother. Yeah, you're pretty good, and you're so beautiful, Sister Mina. You're beautiful. You're pretty. Yeah, I like you. Puspa. Yeah, please like my new video, brother. Thank you so much.